How to make Google Maps default on iPhone iOS 16. First is by opening your Gmail app. Yes, you should open your Gmail app because through this app, you may be able to make your Google Maps app the default one on your iPhone. So once you have opened your Gmail app, click on this three lines found on the upper left corner and scroll down and go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down once again, and under the General section, you may be able to see Default Apps right here. Click on that one, and make sure to click on Google Maps under Navigate from your location, and also on Navigate between locations right here. So click on Done once you're done, and then there you go. That's how you can make Google Maps default on iPhone iOS 16.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.